because they act on the behalf of someone else. Directors sometimes treated as trustee. They must account for all monies over which they exercise control. It means they are liable for all such monies which are in their control, and they apply this money for the benefit of company, on the behalf of company, for the purpose of company. Their acts and dealings must be for the benefit of the company. So, if their acts or dealings for the purpose of someone else other than company or not for the benefit of company, in such cases directors are personally liable, and directors are not treated as trustee. In case of trust, it means we act on the behalf of other or act in good faith. They must exercise their power honestly in the interest of company. So, if you act honestly, that is the requirement in each and every relation, each and every transaction, and here you act honestly for the benefit of whom? Benefit of company, and you act in collective capacity. So, these few things establish that directors are trustees. They act on the behalf of other, and they are hold the money on the faith of others, and they are accountable towards the shareholders, not an individual shareholder. Shareholders as a group, not a section of shareholders. For misuse of the power, they could be liable as trustees. So, these things establish that directors are up to some extent treated as trustee, up to some extent they are treated as agent. And one leading case decided by Madras High Court in the year of 1966, and Ramaswamy Iyer versus Brahmaiah and Company, it was held that directors are trustee for the company, and with reference to their powers for applying funds of the company and for misuse of the power, they could be rendered liable as trustee, and on their death the cause of action lie against their legal heirs. So, this case is leading case on this point, which established that they act as a trustee. Trustee for whom? Trustee for the money in their hands on the behalf of company, and after the death of the directors, legal action not automatically comes to an end. Their legal heirs are responsible for such money. So, this case is known as leading case on this point, and you are need to be develop your understanding that they are up to some extent as a trustee, to some extent as a agent.